Has the bottom been found on Bitcoin, or is this the start of something scary, which is a bearish symmetrical triangle pattern that is being formed in this Bitcoin chart? Okay, I'm gonna help you find out, catch the right trend and make your next profits. Let's talk about it. If you watch the Bitcoin chart in the 4-hour time frame, we are just moving towards sideways. Okay, where is Bitcoin heading to? I'm expecting Bitcoin to move first upside, we get rejected again here, we comes back down, we grab liquidity, and I want to see a reversal pattern, and this is when we makes a trend and makes a longer trend, and this trend will be lasting longer. Why? This is why I'm making this video, to help you understand. Okay, to understand that, let me just zoom out to show you more details. If I just zoom out, you can notice we have been moving towards sideways for almost 90 days. If you don't know, 80% of the time the market moves only in the sideways direction. Only 20% of the time the trend forms and it follows the trend. But most traders lack patience and they try to catch the top and bottom and lose their money. This is why patience is the primary discipline you need to master if you want to be a profitable trader. Now, this bearish symmetrical pattern is being formed. Why am I saying first up, down and then up? And why am I saying this trend will be lasting longer? To understand that, let me just make you to the past data to show you more details. You take any reversal. If you notice closely, we first move in the opposite direction, we get rejected and comes back down. You notice here, we first move in the opposite direction. It was a fast candle with a very high momentum. In few minutes we have reached here, and for the next 30 minutes we held it here. Everybody thought this is a wedge and we are gonna move upside, but we got rejected. I have taken a short position here. Okay, this is again here a sideways pattern. We first moved towards upside. It was a very strong momentum candle, and then see what happens. I have so many data to prove you. And again the same thing for uptrend. We first move downside, grabbing the liquidity. It was a fast candle and then a reversal pattern formed and then moved upside. Okay, now you understand, whenever a trend is formed, we first move in the opposite direction, we get rejected, grab the liquidity, and then we forms a trend, and that is gonna last longer. But why am I saying we first move downwards, grab liquidity and move upside? To understand that, let me just open sand to show you similar patterns. Okay, if you notice this, we made a symmetrical pattern. And you can notice we first moved towards upside, we got rejected and came back down. So you see this one. This is a bullish symmetrical pattern. We first moved towards upside and came back down. What does this mean? Let me show you. Because whenever a pattern forms, of course we will fulfill that pattern. Okay, this is because most traders see the pattern. Okay, this is a bullish pattern, so we have to take a long position. And then they take a long position. Of course, it moved in the desired direction, grabbed liquidity, everybody has taken a long position, and then you see what happened. We came back down. Who have taken higher leverages got liquidated. So this is why I'm expecting Bitcoin to came back down to fulfill this pattern. Okay, because this is a bearish symmetrical pattern which will be fulfilled at some point, and then we will make a very strong reversal pattern, thinking every bear will get liquidated and this trend will be formed. And I'm expecting this trend will last longer and move higher than you're expecting, because if you see in the higher time frame, as I told you, we are moving towards sideways. So even if you wants to move sideways, the top is almost at the $24,000. So we will grab liquidity here and we will be eventually moving towards $24,000. And I am waiting for this liquidity grab. I'm just waiting for this liquidity grab to enter a long position, and I will ride it till $24,000. But my first take profit level is $22,000. This is what you need to understand, how the trend forms, how the reversal pattern looks like with volume, and how you can trade catching the right trend. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.